For today, we're going to show, I'm sorry, I have a problem with my voice, but for today, we're going to show you the Land Cruiser FJ VX, another video for the Land Cruiser FJ TX, and also for the Hilux. But for now, we will focus on this one. We will make a walk around on the Toyota Land Cruiser FJ BX first. So we will first walk around. I'm using the GoPro Mission 1 for today, and we will test whether how is the quality of the video compared to the DJI Pocket that has a big that I'm using most of the time. So after the walk around, we will look at the front grille. You have a running light, LED front light. There's a fog lamp. And in front, there's a camera here. Camera, and there are 4 sensors in front. On the side, we're looking at the alloy wheel, and the wheel size is 265/60 R18. You have 6 lug nut, and there's a camera also here for the 360 view. Stepping board, side molding, and there is BMS. I don't know if you could see it. The fuel is here, and the wheel is also disc brake also at the rear, and same size tire size. And let's look at the back. I think we have to check on the lighting. Yeah, I'm going to turn this around later. I think we have to turn this around so we will have a better view. Okay. Pinapaikot ko siya para yung against the light and it's raining. So pinapaikot ko siya para ma-video natin yung likod na mas mabuti. Yan, no? Thank you. Now, we have a better view. Pinaikot natin para maganda yung ilaw natin. Okay, so this is the back. And there's a fin antenna, wiper, third brake lamp, camera here, sensor also, 4 sensor. There's a hitch here. When you open it, there are 4 points for you to put accessories. Okay, full open, has to be full open. Okay, It has to be full open before you could twist it. If it is not full open, it will not twist. Okay? Has to look. Will not. So you have to push it until the line is here and lock it. Now, let's look inside. This is where you put your accessories. The chuck is here, and this one also. The tools is here. And there's a light here. And there are a lot of points. 1, 2, 3, 4. I believe Toyota is coming out with a lot of accessories soon. 1, 2, 3, 4. For you to put the accessories. And then the space is very big. Huh? The space is very big. Look. This is 1 meter. And you still have space. Okay. If 1 meter is here. Okay. So it's about 1.1 meter wide. And the height, look at the height. It's more than 1 meter. So you're 1 by 1, 1.1 by 1. And then the depth, 0.8. Yeah, 0.8. So pretty, very big cargo space for this one. There's a cup holder here. Power window, power lock, and leather seat. It's a leather seat. Okay. So you can only slide it. Okay. You cannot lift up. I don't see any feature. No, there's no feature to lift this. So it's only sliding. Okay. This one is push forward. That one is push backward. So that is your space when the seat is folded down. Oh, by the way, there's a child lock here. Power lock. Then auto, fold auto, adjustment, power door, power window, lock window, and then driver seat is power, leather seat. I'm going to push this back. Automatic headlight, and this is the fuel, the trunk. The fuel, let's try to open it. Unleaded only. Okay, this is gasoline. It's gasoline. Now we will go inside. The steering wheel is the same as the Prado. Call, control, then volume, uh, cruise control, mode, This is the adaptive mode, not exactly the same. This is the control for the headlamp. This is the control for the wiper. And then you can adjust this. You can adjust this, okay? You can adjust this. What else? Push button start, air condition, and then aircon, front defogger, rear defogger, thermostat, sync, speed, okay, mode, you choose it, then charger. I don't know whether there is a wireless charging. I don't think so. Let's open the light. No, there's no wireless charging. Okay, and the battery, the key is here. Let's look at the key. This is the key. Downhill assist, second gear stop, def lock, and it's for push for L4. L4, H4, H2. Okay, and this is the display setting, Bluetooth, sound, Wi-Fi, and CarPlay, Android, music, radio. Oh, there's a Miracast also. USB. What else? Browser setting, quiet mode, PBM, vehicle information. These have not been reset yet, so we will not look at it. And then airbag. There's a vent here. And this one, okay, there's a light here. And very big also. This one also. There's a light here. And the light, door, light, door. Now we will open the hood. Let's close it. Wait, before you close it. Reverse, oh, the reverse camera. Okay. Oh, there are inclination also. Okay, there's inclination. Then, okay, there's also the tire. For the engine, it's 2 TRFE. This is about 2.7. Okay, so that's it. And that is the engine. The air cleaner is here. Okay, the engine is here. ABS is here. Battery is here. Very big space. This has very big space. A lot of things can be done here. Or you could even put a bigger engine in the future. Look, very big space. So this is the engine for those interested. I have with me a flashlight. So this is the Land Cruiser FJ.